Let me see me see. Hey. Oga.
Mama.
Missy cannot. I don't want to know. Huh? Oh, yeah, the light bill. Tiameka was a me pesi kan fantia. Tiama, da bia me kɔ me ba. Ena de me ni me de be di ekura bi ni ho.
Betty. Mama, I don't understand what you are saying, you know. Huh? What are you saying?
My money. You don't understand what I say.
Oh, okay. That your money. Oh, Mama. So that's the talking of plenty. Don't worry. I'm going to town. I'll come back. I will pay that money.
You going to town?
I'm going to town. I will go pay
you
that
come
money.
Back?
I'll come back.
You
if
pay.
I come back, I'll pay.
Don't go. Stay. Give me my money before you go out today.
Oh, Mama. After you enter, money not there inside there.
Money.
So money there outside. That is exactly I'm going to bring money now. Huh?
Hey.
Don't worry. See, tell your mama something now. Why do they sit there like this?
Kwaba.
What's the meaning of that word?
Give me money before you go out.
Oh, Mama, money, if you go inside, money not there. Why they do yourself like being and say, now you want to harass now people like this? I tell you, they go outside, I will come give you the money now. Why they do like this?
Now, what would they can ubu before? I say, ubu for no money, no. Me, what is kind of before now?
Before JJ. Before JJ.
Well, he says to pay the money.
I go pay the money. Money not there inside, and the money not there outside. I go bring when somebody owe me. Where I go bring her? You do that. See that they make like this. Why they this thing? Why they do that? Hey, ma go sir. Ma go bring her money. I come. I go pay you. No be now $50 why I go give you now.
50 Ghana give.
No be $50 why they harass me say you go adjust me. How much now 50 Ghana?
Hey.
Waga, you go and borrow the money.
Don't worry, I'm coming. I will pay.
Hey. Hey, Nigeria for branch your mobile from Suba de Tiani.
So just ka.
Me nyane sense. Me ba branch e kwa na etu kwa na ko ba bi na ho tse na. E was say me money bi. Hey.
I say me tell come there dey me cry.
Nkwa na de wo. Nkwa na de wo.
Nigeria ni we tua.
No plenty money.